Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Breville Halo XL9L air fryer. Is it just another air fryer, or does it offer something unique? Let's find out. The Breville Halo XL9L air fryer might seem like your typical countertop cooking appliance, but it packs a punch in terms of size and functionality. With a spacious 9-liter frying basket and multi-mode capabilities, you can fry, bake, grill, and roast with ease. The LED touchscreen allows for easy control, and the single-touch settings make it a breeze to master. This air fryer is a great option for those who need a quick but sizable machine. It's perfect for families with its large cooking capacity and versatility. Whether you're cooking one thing or trying out different recipes, the Breville Halo XL9L won't disappoint. The design of the Breville Halo XL9L air fryer is practical and space-efficient. It's not too intrusive in your kitchen, making it a convenient addition to your countertop. The 9-liter frying basket offers plenty of room, and the overall footprint is compact, ensuring it fits well on your countertop. With its digital LED display and 6 cooking presets, this air fryer is easy to use and straightforward to set up. You can adjust cooking times and control the heat with plus and minus buttons, giving you flexibility in your cooking process. However, you'll need to slide out the basket midway through cooking to check on progress since there's no front window. The Breville Halo XL9L air fryer performs admirably, delivering even heat distribution with its 1700 watts of power. It can reach temperatures up to 200 degrees, and you can lower the heat for more delicate foods. Frozen chips came out crisp and tasty in just 20 minutes, and burgers cooked to perfection with all the excess grease dripping down through the internal grill. While the presets are handy, it's best to keep an eye on your food to prevent overcooking. The lack of a window means you'll need to pull the basket out to check on progress, but that's a minor inconvenience. The Breville Halo XL9L air fryer impresses with its design, build quality, and brushed stainless steel exterior. It offers plenty of power and capacity without taking up too much space for storage. If you're in need of a versatile and efficient air fryer with lots of cooking space, the Breville Halo XL9L air fryer is a solid choice. With its reasonable price point and great performance, it's an excellent option for families and anyone looking to up their air frying game. Thanks for tuning in to this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. See you next time.